Have you ever considered starting a home-based business? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? More and more folks are exploring the idea, and it's easy to see why. Home-based businesses are becoming increasingly popular. They offer a level of flexibility that traditional 9-to-5 jobs simply can't provide. They allow you to set your own hours, work at your own pace, and eliminate that tedious daily commute. But the benefits go beyond just flexibility. Starting a home-based business can also be a cost-effective venture. You don't have to worry about renting office space or paying for a separate utility bill. Plus, there's the potential for additional income. Whether it's a side hustle or your main source of income, a home-based business can be a financially rewarding endeavor. The idea of a home-based business can be incredibly appealing, but it's important to make the right considerations. When it comes to starting a home-based business, there are 10 key considerations to keep in mind. Let's delve into the first half of these considerations. Firstly, assess your skills. What unique abilities do you possess that would be beneficial to a home business startup? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or you've got a knack for social media marketing. Whatever your skills, they can be the very foundation of your home-based business. Secondly, identify a service or product that other people might not be interested in doing or creating for themselves. This could be anything from meal planning and preparation, bookkeeping, or even house cleaning. It's all about finding that niche that needs filling. Thirdly, think about your current mode of transportation. Can it be utilized in the commission of a home-based business? Perhaps you have a spacious van that could be used for a local delivery service, or a compact car perfect for an eco-friendly taxi service. The possibilities are endless. Fourth on our list is to consider your hobbies. Is there a pastime you're passionate about that could be the launching pad for a home-based business? Maybe you love baking and could start a cake-making business. Or perhaps you're a keen gardener and could sell your homegrown produce. Finally, in this half, gauge your drive and commitment. Starting a home-based business is exciting, but it also requires dedication and hard work. Do you have the determination to see it through, or is it merely a fleeting interest? Remember, a successful business needs more than just a great idea. It needs a dedicated individual behind it. These are the initial considerations, but there's more to think about. Stay tuned for the top 5. Now let's dive into the top 5 considerations for starting a home-based business. At number 5, we have, can existing appliances or tools in my home be used in a home-based business? This is about utilizing what you already have. From your kitchen appliances to your garden tools, consider how these could be used to generate income. Moving on to number 4. Do I have a specific ability that might lend itself to developing a home-based business? This is about leveraging your unique skills and abilities. Think about what you're good at and how you can turn that into a viable business. Next, at number 3, is there a way to use my home itself to develop a business that can exist within the home? This could involve transforming a spare room into a home office, or even renting out your space for events or storage. Coming in at number 2, can I use my computer to develop a home-based business that may be separate from the internet? Your computer is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of businesses, from graphic design to bookkeeping. Finally, at number 1, do I have the drive to start a home-based business, or simply a mild curiosity? This is perhaps the most important consideration. Starting a home-based business requires commitment, passion, and a lot of hard work. These considerations are essential in determining the success of your home-based business. Starting a home-based business can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. To recap, it's essential to identify your skills, interests, and resources to make it a success. Consider what you can offer that others can't, whether you can utilize your current lifestyle or turn a hobby or a specific ability into a profitable venture. Remember, the beauty of a home-based business lies in its flexibility and potential for growth. Are you ready to take the leap? Click the link in the description to learn more about starting a home-based business.